Welcome to KIA of Bowie. I'm David Gruner. Here are the top 3 reasons to service with our dealership. Number 1, what you pay matters. This is why we created fair and reliable service pricing to ensure our prices are competitive with big chain service centers and other dealerships. Curious what routine maintenance costs? Simply visit our website, call, or stop by. You will always get the same upfront competitive price. Number 2, our dealership has partnered with a lender that can offer simple payment options to help budget any unexpected major repairs. Number 3, your vehicle is in great hands with our factory-trained technicians who undergo regular, frequent training, so they're always up to date on every component of your vehicle. We hope you get to experience our guiding principles of being reliable, responsible, and respectful firsthand on your next visit to KIA of Bowie.